Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Alwin from Dahua Overseas Business Center. I'm pretty sure you already know how an XVR works. It is a device that can record and display both HD and IP cameras for maximum scalability. But have you heard of an entry-level XVR powered by AI? Yes, you've heard it right! Today we're going to unbox another Dahua product that provides an array of intelligent features, including AI functions without breaking your budget. It's literally the first thing of its kind in the market. Introducing the entry-level Dahua HDCVI digital video recorder, also known as the Cooper I Series XVR. So here's a product box of the Dahua Cooper I Series XVR. This particular model is DH-XVR1B08-I. Its dimension is 328mm by 99mm by 253mm. In one side you will see the basic product information, while the product features are written on the other side. One noticeable highlight of this product is its back side, which shows vivid pictures of the product benefits and smart functions, making them easier to understand. But just looking into this box, I can't wait to see the product inside. Let's get into it, shall we? So here's the product box. Let's open it. This one and this one. So inside, you will see this eco-friendly film and paper lining, which replaced the previous EPE foam lining, making it easy to recycle and of course environmental friendly. It's very important. And of course, also the entire packaging of Dahua products obtained patent certifications and passed strict vibration and drop tests to ensure its durability and reliability. Now let's continue. Inside the box, you will see the XVR and accessories. It includes the legal and regulatory information booklet, a mouse, a power adapter, an HDD cable, an SATA cable, and some screws, 4 screws. Now let's proceed to the XVR. The dimension of the XVR is 202.9mm in length, 199mm in width, and 41mm in height, with a gross weight of 1.13 kilograms. The panel is right here. Let's have a closer look. The Dahua Cooper I Series XVR utilizes the technological advantages of the Dahua XVR, including plug-and-play, automatic detection, HD images with 2-megapixel CVI camera, and long transmission distance of up to 800 meters for 1080 pixels and 1200 meters for 720 pixels. This series is also packed with an artillery of smart functions, which includes Smart H.264 Plus and H.265 Plus codec that provides high-quality videos and reduces transmission and storage costs, and digital audio over coax that simplifies and reduces wiring hassle for a convenient and cost-effective installation. But wait, there's more! Aside from these amazing functions, the Dahua Cooper I Series is also equipped with AI features which other entry-level XVRs currently don't have. These include SMD Plus and AI coding. Let's see how they work. The Dahua Cooper I Series XVR is equipped with SMD Plus function that is enabled by default. It offers accurate alarm for human and vehicles with less than 2% false alarm rate. It also sends real-time alarm push notification that shows the target type via the DMSS app. Another cool feature of this device is quick target search, which allows users to quickly locate their target by searching videos using human or vehicle categories. Another amazing AI function of the Dahua Cooper I Series is its AI coding. Before, saving 1 month of video footages of 8-channel 2-megapixel camera requires 12 terabytes of H.264 and 6 terabytes of H.265. With AI coding, it only needs 3 terabytes, which significantly saves more than 50% of bandwidth and storage space without compromising target image quality. Also, through CBR or constant bitrate, AI coding does not lose its decoding compatibility when integrated with third-party platforms. Both SMD Plus and AI coding are enabled by default and doesn't require extra configuration. Just install the device itself and these AI functions will be activated automatically. Overall, the Dahua Cooper I-Series XVR is indeed an intelligent recorder and storage device that offers smart features and AI functions such as SMD Plus and AI coding. And the best thing about it is you don't have to spend a fortune just to purchase this product, making it inclusive and available for everyone. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Alvin. If you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon below to get notified every time we post a new update. Also, you can follow our social media accounts right here. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.